What's inside your three-stage home energy pacifier and harmonizer? The first stage is a tri-wave dirty power filter which uses combined VDR and condenser technology to remove all traces of dirt from your power. Stage 2 is a 5G suppression inductor which is tuned to absorb negative 5G energy and convert it into passive electron flow that then finds a path to ground via either your ground connection if connected or the return connection. The third stage is a dual capacitor chemtrail neutralizer. It uses a technique called faradic turbulence to draw chemtrail impurities through the slots in the case and convert them into standard electron energy, which is once again returned to ground via the incoming wire. This is how your three-stage home energy pacifier and harmonizer works.